Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're diving into a topic that's reshaping how we grow, produce, deliver, and enjoy our food, and that's artificial intelligence in the food industry. From smarter supply chains to reducing food waste, AI is playing a key role in creating a more efficient, sustainable, and personalized food ecosystem. So grab a snack and let's explore how AI is cooking up innovation in one of the world's oldest industries. Let's start at the beginning of the food chain. Agriculture. Farmers today are using AI-powered tools to predict weather patterns, monitor soil health, and even detect crop diseases early. An example of this is a company called John Deere has integrated AI into their tractors and drones to perform precision farming, meaning they can plant seeds, apply fertilizers, and target pesticides only where needed. This boosts yield and cuts costs. Another example is Plantix, an AI-based app that helps small-scale farmers identify crop diseases just by taking a photo, kind of like Shazam, but for sick plants. The result? Better crops, fewer chemicals, and smarter farming. Next, we move to food manufacturing and processing. AI helps optimize production lines, ensure quality control, and even predict equipment failures before they happen. Nestle uses AI to monitor temperature and humidity across their factories globally. The system adjusts in real time to maintain product consistency, whether it's a chocolate bar in Switzerland or a cup of noodles in India. Another exciting case is Tomra Food, which uses AI and computer vision to sort fruits and vegetables. The system removes spoiled or irregular produce with incredible precision, much faster and more accurately than a human ever could. That's less food waste and higher quality products for us. Food safety is non-negotiable, and AI is helping make our food safer. AI systems can detect contamination risks, track expiration dates, and even monitor cleanliness in food facilities. IBM's Food Trust platform, built on blockchain and AI, is being used by companies like Walmart and Carrefour. It tracks food from farm to store shelf. If there's an E. coli outbreak in lettuce, AI can pinpoint which farm it came from within seconds, reducing health risks and product recalls. This kind of traceability and real-time insight was nearly impossible before. Now let's talk about what happens after the food is prepared: delivery and dining. AI is powering everything from robot chefs to predictive ordering and personalized recommendations. Domino's uses AI to predict when a pizza will be ready and suggest the fastest delivery route. They also use a camera system called Dom Pizza Checker, which ensures your pizza has the right toppings and looks perfect before it goes out. In restaurants, companies like Miso Robotics have created Flippy, a robotic kitchen assistant that flips burgers, fries food, and never calls in sick. It uses AI and sensors to work alongside kitchen staff. Meanwhile, food delivery apps like Uber Eats and DoorDash use AI to predict demand, recommend restaurants, and optimize delivery routes, so your food arrives faster and fresher. To sum it up, AI is not just a tech trend. It's becoming the backbone of the modern food industry. From planting and production to delivery and dining, AI is helping us feed the world more efficiently, safely, and sustainably. And as these technologies continue to grow, the future of food looks smarter and tastier than ever before. Thanks for watching, and bon appetit!